Hi students, welcome to Sridhar CC Anantapur YouTube channel and welcome to our session, editorial analysis session. So we know what do we discuss every day in our session, like we start with the quote of the day for the motivation purpose, and one word substitutions related phobias and manias list were given already. So many one word substitutes even were given right from the starting, and so nowadays we are discussing idiomatic expressions, exam point of view, and phrasal verbs in the alphabetical order. Apart from these, editorial vocab, so which discuss particularly all these phrases and content vocabulary along with the parts of speech. Apart from this, and phrasal expression and idiomatic expressions within the editorial are also discussed here. And apart from this, so analysis of the editorial of the day, and the last but not the least, a test of the day with a new model with new shortcuts, I shouldn't say new, so which are useful for the upcoming examinations, right? Let's start with the quote of the day. So here the quote is, keep your face towards the sunshine, you will never see the shadow. So most of the people here watching, they try to see the negative side of everything, they may be called as a pessimist. Here the thing is, so always, like, if you just keep on looking at the shadows, you will be in a gloomy mood and you will be depressed and distressed. And the thing is, you need to shift your face from the shadow to the sunshine. Like sunshine gives you the way, the right path, or right way to your goal. So that means just to keep off all the negative things, keep off the things which are giving a burden to you. So just to keep on focusing on the goal which you have, just move in that direction is the point here. Next, so idioms are phrasal expressions, so which are generally asked in the exams, like correct and incorrect uses are also discussed here. So isolated from, first of all, meaning of isolated means to become lonely. So the metallurgy department isolates the impurities from the metal. So here isolates the, so here the things are, so you may get confused between this idiomatic expression and phrasal expressions. So phrases means part of a piece of sentence, like which may give a different meaning. So here isolate means to become lonely. Here the metallurgy department is not making anyone lonely here. That's what the thing you need to understand here. The metallurgy department isolates impurities from. So your mind easily accepts isolates the impurity of the metal, off in the sense like completely away. Like such sort of confusion is enough to lose the mark. And next, no to do X. So here the correct usage, how do we use? Arnold was always known to do multiple tasks with, to do something with, to do X, like Arnold was always known to do multiple tasks. Known to do is the phrase here. So was always known for doing multiple tasks. So your mind accepts. So what's wrong with this? For, after for we are using ing form, which is a non-finite, which is v4, that is gerund form. Your mind may accept, but here the thing is, no always takes 2 plus v1 is the point here. That thing you need to keep in your mind. Next, just as x so y. So moreover we get it in spoken forms. No, just as x so y. What does that mean actually? Just like this person, that person also does the same kind of thing. In that sense, just as Eric is a school topper, so is Erika. In that way we need to use, and be very careful here. Just as Eric is a school topper and is unnecessary here. So immediately you need to go with so, and so takes the verb related to the subject here. Be careful with that. So is Erika, so are the employees, so are the teachers. So that means based on the subject over there, you need to fix the helping verb there. So be very careful. And moreover, after so here we are taking HV plus S, that is subject inversion. This kind of thing I tell you now and then, be careful. After so, especially in this context, we must go with HV plus S, that means subject inversion. That is one more important grammatical point here. Next, let's get to the phrasal verbs. We are in P, alphabetically. Pick up, so everyone knows this, picking something up, pick that thing up, so to take something upwards. Apart from that, another meaning of this phrasal verb is collecting somebody or taking somebody to some place. I'll pick you up pick you up, fragment is divided here. I'll pick you up at the station when you arrive. When you arrive, I'm going to take you to the place you needed. So point out, this one is a regular phrase, phrasal verb which we use like indicating something, directing attention towards something. She pointed out the mistake, she indicated the mistake. Rely. So most of the cases, most of the times we get this rely. Rely, relied, relied are the verbs, and reliance is noun, abstract noun. That means trust. So count on or depend on. Count on is another phrasal verb. You can count on me, you can trust me, you can depend on me. Don't worry, you can rely on me, I can keep secret. Rule out means to eliminate. The police ruled out political motives. So that means, so they completely ruled out. Out means away. Rule means just striking it off, like political motives were ruled out by the police. Editorial of the day is related vocabulary. Airtight. Airtight means actually airtight containers are also there. So but the contextually airtight here means there is no dispute. So incontrovertible, undeniable, unquestionable. There is no question that this is this. That is that. In that sense, you say airtight question, airtight answer, something like that. Charge sheet. This word is pretty familiar with most of the people, like an official document on which a police officer enters details, just like FIR, first information report. Dastardly, dastardly, absurdly, like so many words we listen, but this is the first time we are listening this. Dastardly means in a very cruel manner, heinous, wrongful, and moreover dastardly is taken in adjective sense. Ly endings, generally our mind says adverb, but here this is adverb. It's not adverb, it's an adjective. Convoy. Convoy means, you know, a group of vehicles going together, especially for protecting these politicians, right? Convoy. So the president came in convoy. Convoy means so many vehicles follow in the matter of protection. Next, National Investigation Agency. That agency especially was established by the Indian government to combat terror in India, especially after Mumbai attacks, 26/11 attacks on Taj Hotel. Next, piece together. Piece together, it's a phrasal verb. Piece is used in a verb sense here. Together is preposition, however, put together or assembling or joining is called as uniting is called as piecing together, like means to keep all the pieces together and to form something. Next, minutiae. Minutiae means details, all the minute details are minutiae. Next, painstaking, ing ending adjective. Painstaking means very careful, like a meticulous. This word is very important. Now and then we get this. Careful or thorough attention. Painstaking. Next, perpetrator. Who is this perpetrator? Someone who does immoral, like negative word, harmful or illegal activity is perpetrator. Offender also you can say, criminal, wrongdoer, ill-doer, culprit. Number of synonyms we got here. Next, in the works, so being planned, being done, underway, in the progress, like the thing is going on. We say it's a phrasal expression, in the works. Next, reconnaissance. Reconnaissance means like observation, like examination, preliminary survey, research, probe. Probe also we listen now and then here. Nowadays especially probe means like searching, survey. Like some more vocabulary. Indoctrination, the process of inculcating or teaching a person or group of people a set of ideas. Doctrine, remember this word. Doctrine means principle or set of principles or set of beliefs. So inculcating these into the people or group of people is called as indoctrination. TION is a noun. Deep state, so here it's not a regular word, like deep means showing shallowness, and state means the state of something. It's not that. Deep state means contextually shadow government. What is that? Influential decision making bodies believed to be within government is called as deep state, especially that can be any agents like military or any other. Next, proxy conflict. That means a conflict between two countries, especially instigated by opposite powers, powerful countries here. So it's we can call it as international politics, like two countries are instigated by powerful countries because they don't want to directly wage into war. That's why they use some less powerful countries as their pawns to play the game. Is proxy conflict. Next, militancy, belligerency, combativeness, so defiance, usually to support a cause. Next, wane means decrease. Decreasing or declining something is wane. Next, hollow out, so it's a verb to remove or undermine or making something pointless or clueless or useless, or we can erode, erosion related word. Next, detention. So detention means house arrest. like keeping someone under custody is called as detention. Next, entail, to make something necessary. Next, outfit, here according to this context, outfit means group or organization. Right, so what is this editorial of the day? An airtight case, an undisputable and unquestionable case on Pulwama attack case charge sheet. So many days were completed on Pulwama attack. So further clarity emerges on the JEM's and Pakistan's role in the Pulwama attacks. So further clarity has come here. So what are the important points to be discussed here? A year and a half after the dastardly, deadly, horribly terror attack on a Central Reserve Police Force convoy in Pulwama that killed 40 personnel means employees or staff. The National Investigation Agency has filed a charge sheet against 19 people, including Maulana Masood Azhar, the leader of the terrorist group Jaish-e-Mohammed (JEM), for planning the attack. So 19 people were put in that charge sheet, so in which 40 personnel were killed when they were going in a convoy near Pulwama. Considering the difficulties in piecing together, means setting together the minutiae in the case, that means details in the case, the agency's painstaking effort, so like very thorough effort, must be acknowledged, must be recognized, must be acclaimed. The identity of the key perpetrators, culprits, criminals was never in doubt after the JEM claimed responsibility immediately after the attack. So, however, JEM immediately claimed their portion responsibility to this attack. There is no doubt of going to other people here. Next, the charge sheet details the role of JEM's handlers and its local associates in Kashmir and how the attack was in the works since 2016. The JEM's role was in reconnaissance, training and indoctrination, but the group could not have procured and transported the high intensity explosives without the involvement of the Pakistani security establishment. So here, however, this charge sheet details give clearly about this JEM's handlers, so especially how they planned right from 2016, and moreover this role was in this training and indoctrination, reconnaissance. So but the group could not have procured or obtained and transported these high intensity explosives without involvement of this Pakistani security is pretty clear. The charge sheet's investigation based on forensic evidence. Forensic means like a scientific way of surveying something is forensic evidence. DNA analysis is the most advanced thing of the remains of the suicide bomber. So whoever the person caused this explosion as a suicide bomber, IP address tracking of the video released by the JEM claiming responsibility, examination of the battered vehicle that carried the explosives among others. So therefore makes a thorough claim on JEM's and Pakistan's role in the attack. So all these things, charge sheets investigation on this forensic evidence and DNA analysis of the remains of this particular suicide bomber and IP address, so through which this JEM sent this responsibility, claiming responsibility, and battered damaged vehicle related examination. All these things give a thorough claim on this JEM's and Pakistan's role in the attack. The Pulwama attack was followed by the bombing of a terror training center in Balakot in Pakistan by the Indian Air Force and retaliatory airstrikes by Pakistan. These have resulted in a breakdown of diplomatic ties and deterioration of every aspect of relation between the countries. Here, Pulwama attack, when was it followed? It was followed by the bombing of a terror training center in Balakot. By whom? In Pakistan, by the Indian force, and the retaliatory airstrikes even were followed by Pakistan. All these things, after all these things, Pulwama attack was followed. So these have resulted in the breakdown, like a deterioration of diplomatic ties, and every aspect of relations between the countries was deteriorated. So here Pulwama investigation could present an opportunity for Pakistan to initiate meaningful changes in its approach towards cross-border terror, if indeed the Imran Khan-led government is keen on reforming its deep state, its shadow government. So here could present an opportunity for Pakistan to initiate this meaningful changes in its approach towards cross-border terror. So after this, at least the Pakistan Imran-led government has to think about some changes in this cross-border terror-related approach. And final words for the Indian government. The charge sheet presents a case not just for detailing the dastardly role of Pakistan, its proxy actors in Kashmir, but to reevaluate its strategy. So it's not only for this detailing, it also presents to reevaluate its strategy towards this cross-border terror to Indian government, and involvement of local Kashmiri youth in the attack as a suicide bomber years after militancy had waned in the valley. I was also a warning about the alienation settling into the valley. So here one more very important thing government has to reconsider is so the presence of local Kashmiri youth as a suicide bomber in this attack. So years of this militancy, belligerency, so this thing waned means so deteriorated or diminished or reduced in this valley was also a warning about the alienation, like people separating themselves from the local traditions and local government into this valley has to be rechecked. The hollowing out of Jammu and Kashmir's special status, the bifurcation of the state and the demotion of J&K as a union territory, the detention of scores of political leaders including mainstream actors, and the continuing restrictions on access to broadband internet have deepened the alienation. So all these things, number of things have caused this alienation in Jammu and Kashmir. Number of things like hollowing of this special status, demotion of J&K, that means Jammu and Kashmir as a union territory, bifurcation of the state, so detention of the scores of political leaders, mainstream act, all these things have caused this alienation. The prevention of terror attacks will entail not only security and diplomatic measures to isolate and destroy terror outfits such as the JEM, but also addressing the roots of alienation that contribute recruits to cause the cause of terrorism. Here, so prevention of terror attacks. So this terror attacks prevention, whatever it is, whatever is there, this will entail not only the security and diplomatic measures to isolate and destroy terror outfits such as the JEM. So this one also addresses the roots of alienation that contribute recruits, that means newly employing to these kind of suicide bombers. So that root cause of this terrorism was also will be addressed through this prevention of this terror attacks. So that is the right now thing which we have to do immediately. Next, so let's get to the test of the day. So here, which are very useful, the orthodox patterns to the exam, I have brought you 5. That is error detection, a regular model. So let's see what is this about. The Supreme Court criticized the Union government for hiding behind the Reserve Bank without making its stand clear. Excuse me. Here, so that's not clear over there. Its stand is given. Here stand is noun, and we should not use apostrophe s here. We need to use only s without apostrophe. That means, so let me give you an example. This is its habit. Here habit is noun, and we should not use apostrophe before s. That is the point here. If you keep apostrophe, this is, it becomes like short form of is, which is wrong. So the same way here, its apostrophe s is not needed here. So it's just without s is needed. Next, second one. States ruled by government's rivals are likely to file a joint review petition in the Supreme Court. Again, the union education is wrong. Actually, again is inappropriate over there. Against, which is the preposition, perfectly apt there. Like review petition, like to file a petition in the Supreme Court against the UNM, that is Union Education Ministry. Against is problem. Next question. The daily COVID-19 tests in the Indian capital will be doubled, and stringent enforcement of pandemic related guidelines will be ensured. In view of the marginal rise in the number of cases, I find no error. Next, when people say that a system has become so bad that it needs a overhaul means repair. Overhaul is noun here, so which means it's starting with wo. That means vowel sound. Vowel sounds takes an overhaul. So here they gave a, that's why the error is a. It's not a, it's an. And the last but not the least for the day is reforms in the output market alone are not sufficient but must be supplemented and complement B plus V3 and also follows V3, that means complemented. So and generally carries forward the verbs and tenses sense. That's why supplemented v3, because after bv is used as v3, and after that and also we need to use again v3. So that's all guys, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the class. So we are coming to you with a few more classes. So we are coming to live sessions even in this editorial. Stick on to the classes, be regular. So most important things are going to be discussed very soon. And apart from this, the latest pattern session, so which was dealt by me in the recent days, so again going to be started with multiple patterns explanation. So okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to like. Thank you. Signing off.